Will we see Tesla flying above the clouds? Find out in today's video. Welcome to Elon Musk Unveils. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and hit that notification button to stay up to date with the latest about Elon Musk, Tesla, and SpaceX. What if we told you that Elon Musk is going crazy with this new Tesla helicopter that he revealed, and it's about to be insane? Elon Musk confirmed his support for the development of an electric jet because he really wants to produce zero-emissions flying machine, and this was very evident when he tweeted that there should be a new supersonic jet, this time all electric. Does this mean that the future of air travel will be all electric? If so, why don't we have one already? Well, stick till the end to know what this insane Tesla helicopter is all about. When it comes to dealing with challenges that might look impossible, Elon Musk would be the very first name that would come to your mind because this man here has never been shy to back away from any challenge, and he is constantly expanding the potential product line for his companies, and it looks like this person is ready to do the impossible once again with electric helicopters and airplanes. For so many years, Musk was excited about the possibility of building an electric plane at one of Tesla's factories. But he also mentioned that in doing so, he might even explode his brain in the process if he were to build one, because it requires a lot of problems to be solved, because it's not as easy as making electric vehicles. And making electric vehicles was also not easy in the first place, right? We may not need electric helicopters right now, but it looks like Elon Musk is excited about building one. So far, the renders look really great, and we hope that, if at all, Tesla is building an electric helicopter. It should definitely be looking like this one right in here. There are so many challenges when it comes to building electric helicopters or electric airplanes. In commercial aviation, electric propulsion will have to deal with many issues, from the range from the batteries and motors to the wiring and cooling systems. Today's biggest challenge for an electric airplane will be the low energy density batteries. To put things into perspective, jet fuel has an energy density of about 12,000 watt-hours per kilogram, and the commercially available lithium-ion batteries that we have today do come with a very low 250 watt-hours per kilogram. The energy density is at the pack level, including the weight penalty for thermal runaway containment and other safety features, which is typically 20% lower. The only thing that we can do right now with the technology that we have is to build electric propulsion systems for developing commercially viable, small, short-range aircraft using the available batteries. And by small, we refer to aircraft up to 19-seat airplanes, and short range means the distance would be less than 250 miles, which is enough range for so many regional routes according to industry experts. Tesla is also planning to build their own batteries, which will then help Tesla to deliver about a 54% jump in battery range for electric vehicles and a 56% drop in price per kilowatt hour. The batteries that Tesla builds today in limited production right now might exceed 400 watt-hours per kilogram, which makes sense for a decent medium-range aircraft. But the production version of the batteries might also reach that energy density in a span of 3 to 4 years. Scientists who work behind electric propulsion systems are also planning to make the most out of an electric motor efficiency compared to an internal combustion engine, as the technology is improving at a rapid pace, so that we could expect a hybrid electric airplane very soon. Battery efficiency is improving at about 5 to 8% a year, and according to NASA, 350 watt-hours per kilogram of energy density at the peak level could be commercially ready by 2030. This way, an all-electric short-range 30-seat aircraft will be commercially ready. But at the same time, commercially ready batteries would also consist of large pack sizes with adequate charge times and cycle lives. You also need to keep in mind that the pack-level energy densities of about 400 to 500 watt-hours per kilogram are a sweet starting point, which would then open up the potential applications in hybrid electric aircraft ranging from 50-seat regionals to 150 single-seat aisles. The other way Tesla could work it out would be by storing energy for electric motors by using hydrogen stored in liquid form at a cryogenic temperature of about negative 253 degrees Celsius, because hydrogen is lighter than conventional jet kerosene for a given amount of energy. The process of converting it into electricity in a fuel cell is very well known. So, can hydrogen provide a better way than batteries to store energy in an electric aircraft? Well, we don't know that yet because liquid hydrogen requires larger tanks because of the low density compared to jet fuel and the scalability of fuel cells to megawatt levels, that too on a commercial aircraft, is yet to be proved. Right now, the Tesla helicopter or the Tesla electric plane is definitely not the priority for Tesla because of the lack of technology that supports building one. But Elon Musk definitely thinks this to be a fun problem to work on at some point in the future. But to get there, Tesla needs to work really hard, and right now, it might not be worth the effort considering the fact that Tesla is still maturing as an electric vehicle manufacturer, and the company is looking forward to expanding its operations worldwide, which then clearly aligns with Tesla's goals to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. But if Tesla steps into the air transport industry, it might change everything because the real life Tony Stark is getting so many things that look to us like a dream come true. He made electric cars look cooler. He's working on reusable rockets that might someday take us to Mars, and it looks like he's also excited about vertical lift electric planes because he stated that he is dying to make electric supersonic jets that would use vertical takeoff and landing technology. Elon Musk is a person who is known for his unconventional decisions when it comes to getting things done, and right now, the Tesla helicopter shouldn't be surprising. Elon Musk really wants to get to the aircraft industry, and we are sure that he will revolutionize that industry as well, as he did with Tesla and also with SpaceX. When Elon Musk first talked about electric cars, everybody thought this was a joke, and the company would just go bankrupt. But today, that is not the case because Tesla is one of the world's most valuable electric car manufacturers out there. But we get it. 20 years ago, we did not have the right kind of technological advancements with battery technology and electric motors, and there were so many commercial challenges, which Tesla ended up fixing to make electric cars look appealing to the masses. Yes, Tesla did not invent electric vehicles, but they definitely did find a way to sell electric cars to the masses, which is why Tesla is appealing today. But an electric helicopter or an electric aircraft will take a lot of time to be true if it has to be a practical means of transportation. Right now, suborbital spacecraft make a lot of sense to transport people between places where an aircraft would take a lot of time. But even then, Elon Musk is very optimistic about his goal because he states that Tesla will be able to achieve volume production of 400 watt-hour per kilogram batteries in just 3 to 4 years, which is insane. But you also need to keep in mind that Elon Musk does not have the best reputation when it comes to fulfilling his deadlines. The best part about such a high energy density battery is that Tesla could also use the same battery cells to increase the range of their electric vehicles by approximately 174 miles, which is crazy. So right now, it looks like electric propulsion systems are a thing of the future and might only be restricted to short hauls, leaving medium and long haul markets to depend on other fuels like synthetic fuels. But even then, the technology does have the potential to change the entire air transport industry. And that's our wrap for today's video. What do you think about Elon Musk's plan to create an electric helicopter? Do let us know in the comments section below because we would love to hear from you all. Consider subscribing to our channel for more videos just like this one, and turn on post notifications so that you get notified whenever we upload a brand new video. That's about it for today. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button, and we will meet again in the very next one. So, stay tuned.